Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Discord username. When it's your turn to choose your new Discord name, you'll be prompted to do so when you open the app. Discord will suggest a unique username similar to your existing one, but you can customize it. If someone else has already claimed that name, Discord will tell you to try a different variation until you find one that another user hasn't already claimed. You'll also be able to choose a display name, which will be your default name in servers. No matter what you choose for your username and display name, you can still change your nickname a specific server. Here's how to do it. Go to Server, then click or press the three dots or your server at the top. Then choose Edit Server Profile in the pop-up menu. If the server has nickname enabled, you can simply click into the server nickname box and type whatever you want to use as your new name. If nicknames are not enabled, you won't be able to type in the box. You can also get at a glance look at your nickname across all the servers you're in. Here's how to check it. Select Server Profiles at the top. It will default to your most recently visited server. At the top of the menu, to pull up the full menu of servers. If you're using a nickname in a server, it will display under the server name. If no name is displayed, that means you're using your normal username in that server. If you want to change your nickname in any server, just select the server from the menu. If nicknames are enabled, you can type in your desired name under server nickname. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.